How to fix YouTube Recap 2025 not showing up. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for YouTube. Make sure that you are using the latest version of YouTube, and if not, then update the app further in order to be able to use all the latest features that YouTube has to offer. Next fix is go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, go ahead and navigate to the YouTube application and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option and then reinstall the app again once offloaded. Doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the YouTube application and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Delete the YouTube application completely on your device and then reinstall the application from your app store, as doing this will clear all the cache in the app and will give the app a fresh new start. You can then go ahead and open YouTube and see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open YouTube and then swipe up on your screen and then go ahead and force quit the app along with all the apps running in the background, as this will clear background app refresh. You can also try to restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. Also, open YouTube and tap on the U option at the bottom right, and make sure that you are signed in to the correct Google account, and if not, then you can switch between accounts. And make sure that you have watched enough videos or music in 2025 in order to be able to see the YouTube recap. And if you have not watched enough videos or music, then the YouTube recap might not appear. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube Recap 2025 not showing up. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.